Few sights in the ocean are as mesmerizing as the blue or green glow of a jellyfish drifting through dark water. Sailors once saw these glowing seas as magical, while divers still encounter them at night. Today, we know this light comes from bioluminescence. Not all jellyfish can glow, and those that do only light up when needed. Their glow serves real purposes, from confusing predators to aiding scientific discoveries. So, why do jellyfish glow? The answer involves fascinating chemistry, survival strategies, and millions of years of evolution hidden beneath the waves. Let's dive in, right here, on History of Simple Things. The light produced by many jellyfish comes from a process known as bioluminescence, which is the ability of living organisms to create light through chemical reactions inside their bodies. Unlike a light bulb, which produces both light and heat, bioluminescence is extremely efficient and generates almost no heat, making it a form of cold light. In glowing jellyfish, special molecules called luciferins react with oxygen in the presence of enzymes known as luciferases or related light-producing proteins. One of the most famous examples is the crystal jelly Equaria victoria, which contains a protein called equorin that emits blue light when it interacts with calcium. That blue light is then absorbed by another remarkable protein called Green Fluorescent Protein, or GFP, which re-emits it as a bright green glow. This elegant combination of chemistry allows certain jellyfish to produce light only when needed, conserving energy while creating an effective visual signal in the dark ocean. For jellyfish, glowing is primarily a survival tool rather than a way to communicate. Many species emit flashes of light when disturbed by predators such as fish or sea turtles. These sudden bursts can startle an attacker just long enough for the jellyfish to drift away. Some scientists also believe the glow works like an underwater alarm system by attracting even larger predators that may chase away or eat the original attacker. This idea is known as the burglar alarm hypothesis. Certain deep-sea jellyfish can produce glowing trails or release luminous mucus, creating distractions that confuse predators about their actual location. Because jellyfish lack fast swimming abilities or hard protective shells, they rely heavily on passive defenses. Their glowing displays complement other protective features, such as venomous tentacles, giving them another chance to survive dangerous encounters in an environment where escaping quickly is rarely an option. Although glowing jellyfish are famous, the ability is far from universal. Scientists have identified thousands of jellyfish species, but only a portion of them are known to be bioluminescent. The trait is especially common among species that live in the deep ocean, where sunlight cannot reach. In these dark waters, producing light becomes much more useful because even a small flash can be seen from considerable distances. Many jellyfish that inhabit shallow coastal waters do not glow at all because daylight would make bioluminescence far less effective. Even among glowing species, the color, brightness, and pattern of light vary greatly. Most produce blue or green light because those colors travel the farthest through seawater. Red and yellow light are absorbed much more quickly, making them poor choices for long-distance visibility. Evolution has therefore favored colors that perform best in the marine environment, allowing glowing species to maximize the effectiveness of every flash. The glow of one jellyfish transformed modern biology in ways no one could have predicted at the time of discovery. During the 1960s, researchers studying crystal jelly discovered green fluorescent protein, GFP, in marine biology. This protein glows bright green under blue or ultraviolet light without added chemicals in living cells. Scientists attached the GFP gene to other genes in living organisms for research. When active, these genes made cells glow, letting researchers observe biological processes in real time across many scientific fields. Today, GFP is used in medicine, genetics, neuroscience, cancer research, and developmental biology around the world. It helps scientists see cell division, disease spread, and protein movement in tissues inside living organisms. This discovery earned the 2008 prestigious Nobel Prize in Chemistry. A Pacific jellyfish became a key tool in biological research from the ocean. Jellyfish are part of a much larger world of bioluminescent life. Many deep-sea animals can produce light, including fish, squid, shrimp, worms, and plankton. Together, they create glowing displays that can illuminate stretches of ocean. Scientists still study jellyfish to understand how they control light and how these systems could inspire new technology. Engineers explore bioluminescence for eco-friendly lighting, while medical researchers use fluorescent proteins from jellyfish to improve imaging techniques. These organisms also help scientists learn about ocean health and how marine life responds to environmental change. Each discovery shows that the jellyfish glow is more than a natural wonder. It is a source of scientific insight with real-world applications for the future. Ongoing research continues to reveal new surprises about these remarkable ocean organisms and their hidden biological processes. Jellyfish glow through bioluminescence, a remarkable adaptation shaped by millions of years of evolution. For many species, this light is a defense against predators, helping offset their slow movement and fragile bodies. Though only some glow, they symbolize the ocean's hidden wonders and have inspired advances in medicine and genetics. When you see them drifting in the dark, remember, it's a story of survival, evolution, and discovery. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.